Hello and welcome to evaluating expressions. So these expressions which form the basis of basic algebra. So here we have a number and a letter right next to each other. And when we have a number and a letter next to each other, we multiply. So for example, we have 7 and x next to each other. We do the following equation. So 7 multiply by x. Okay, so when a number and a letter are right next to each other, we multiply. So for example, if we did it the other way around, 7 over x or x over 7, that means we need to divide. So it will be 7 divided by x. If a number and letter are together like this, 7 plus x, in this case we just add. And again, same thing, if we had 7 minus x, then we subtract, okay? So here, for this first question, we know that x stands for 6. So in this case, 7 multiplied by 6 is going to give us 42. So for this question, 42 will be your answer. But just have a look at these different equations and what they mean before you actually answer all these questions. And like usual, we'll go through all the algebraic questions in our next follow-up class. Good luck.